Every man has been here.
You give your best.
You care deeply. You show her effort, attention, consistency. And somehow, instead of being treated like a priority, you start feeling like an option. But here's the twist. She doesn't treat you like a priority because you give more. She treats you like a priority when you stop doing the one thing that destroys your value without you noticing. Today, we reveal that one thing and the 4 Stoic principles that bring your respect, your presence, and your strength back. Let's begin. 1. Stop over-explaining yourself. It makes you look uncertain. Women don't trust uncertainty. They don't respect a man who's always explaining, justifying, or defending every move he makes. Seneca said, "A man is not moved by events, but by the view he takes of them." And when you constantly explain yourself, you communicate one thing. I need your approval. A man who needs approval automatically feels like background, noise to her. But when you stop over-explaining, you become direct. You become grounded. You become predictable in the right way. You make decisions without seeking validation. Suddenly, she pays attention. Suddenly, she respects your choices. Suddenly, you're not the background. You're the frame. 2. Stop being available 24/7. She values what isn't always there. When you give constant access, you remove the feeling of mystery and the sense of value. A woman cannot appreciate a man who abandons his life just to be instantly reachable. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "A man's worth is measured by the worth of what he values." If you value her more than your time, your goals, your peace, she feels it, and she subconsciously lowers your priority. But when you pull back, not with games, not with silence, but with purpose, she starts to notice your absence. The world around her becomes quieter. She starts wondering what you're doing. She starts missing your presence because the man who invests in himself is the man she wants to invest in. 3. Stop fixing everything. She wants presence, not rescue. When a man tries to fix every emotion, every problem, every issue she has, she feels smothered, not supported. Epictetus said, "No great thing is created suddenly." That includes her emotions. When you stop trying to fix everything, she feels respected. She feels understood. She sees you as emotionally stable. She sees you as someone she can lean on, not depend on. Women don't fall for rescuers. They fall for the man who listens, guides, and remains steady, not the man who desperately tries to solve every moment of discomfort. When you stop fixing everything, you give her space to trust you. 4. Stop fighting for her attention. Your absence speaks louder. Nothing drops your value faster than chasing attention that isn't being offered. Stoicism teaches what stands in the way becomes the way. When you push for attention, you push her away. But when you stop monitoring her responses, reacting emotionally, chasing when she pulls back, proving your worth, filling every silence, her perception of you begins to shift. Why? Because silence creates space. Space creates curiosity. Curiosity creates attraction. And attraction makes her prioritize you again. She starts reaching out first. She starts checking on you. She starts investing more because the man who doesn't beg for attention is the man she wants attention from. Here's the core truth. You don't rise in her life by giving more. You rise in her life by removing the behaviors that make you look replaceable. Stop over-explaining. Stop over-availability. Stop fixing everything. Stop chasing attention. When you stop doing these things, your value rises. Your presence becomes felt. Your respect returns. And she begins to treat you like a priority. Not because she has to, but because now she feels the difference. Women always prioritize the man who prioritizes himself.